All praise is due to Allah. We thank Him and we ask for His help. Peace and blessings be upon Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Dear brothers and sisters, today I want to talk about the importance of time. Time is a great blessing from Allah. When time passes, it never comes back. If we waste our time, we lose our life. If we use time, well, we succeed in this world and hereafter. Allah says in the Quran, وَالْعَصْرِ إِنَّ الْإِنسَانَ لَفِي خُسْرٍ. By the time, indeed, mankind in loss. This verse shows that time is very important and many people are losing because they do not use it well. The Prophet Muhammad said, نعمتان مقبول فيهما كثير من الناس الصحة والفراغ. There are two blessings which many people lost, health and free time. Brothers and sisters, we should use our time for good things. Worship Allah, learn useful knowledge, work honestly, help your families and the community. Avoid wasting time in useless activity. Allah also said, فَإِذَا فَرَغْتَ فَانْصَبْ وَإِلَىٰ رَبِّكَ فَارْغَب. So when you finish, then stand up for worship. And when your Lord turn your desire, let us value our time, organize our day, and remember that every minute is trust from Allah. May Allah use our time in good ways and forgiveness our mistake.